Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing an instant ragi dosa which does not need any fermentation. This crispy and tasty instant ragi neer dosa can be made in just under 5 minutes. A perfect, quick and easy breakfast on those busy mornings for the whole family. Ragi is also known as nachni or finger millet and helps in weight loss and fat burning. Ragi is a superfood for PCOS. It helps to prevent cramps and acne around the chin. Unprocessed carbs, especially millets like ragi, bajra, jawar, should be included in your diet if you have health issues like PCOD and diabetes. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, add in 1/3 cup ragi flour and into the same cup, measure 1/3 cup of water and add into the bowl. Add in half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Now with a whisk, mix it really well so that there are no lumps. Again measure another 1/3 cup water and add and mix well. The batter should be of watery consistency. Since we are making neer dosa, the batter should be of watery consistency. That is, there should be more of water than ordinary dosa batter. And mix the batter very well and allow it to rest for about 3 to 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you can see that the ragi flour has settled down. Mix it really well again and also make sure that there are no lumps. Now to make the instant dosa, heat a cast iron dosa tawa and grease it with gingerly oil. And guys, if you're a regular on my channel, then you know I always recommend cooking in iron cookware for better iron absorption. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, try to use an iron cookware in your daily cooking. Just before pouring the dosa batter, you need to mix it really well. So you have to remember to mix it really well each time before you pour in the dosa. Now reduce the flame to the lowest and pour 1 ladleful of the batter towards the sides of the tawa and then pour another ladleful in the middle and fill the tawa with the batter. Now remember to keep the flame on medium low. Drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee. I prefer to use desi ghee in my recipes as it helps in the assimilation of vitamins and minerals. So when you are using grains like ragi, try to use desi ghee for better nutrient absorption. So do not skip using ghee, especially if you have health issues like PCOS and diabetes. Now cover it with the lid and let it cook on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, this is how it looks. And you can see how crispy the ragi neer dosa is. Fold it carefully into half and then again fold it into half. And repeat the same process with the rest of the batter. You will get 2 crispy neer dosa with this batter. Serve the instant finger millet dosa with your favorite chutney and homemade pickle for that extra probiotics. Today I am serving curry leaves coconut chutney. Recipe link will be updated below this video. And guys, a couple of days back I had shared how to make crispy ragi dosa, the fermented version actually. So do check the recipe. Links will be updated below this video. And guys, you should be including millets in your diet and get its benefits. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.